Grabe. Grabe guys. Napakaganda dito at ramdam na ramdam natin ang kasaysayan, ang past. So this is a living museum. This is the old city. This is the heart and soul of Shanghai. Hello po. What's the best thing about Shanghai?
How they plan the city, like it's for the people. They really care for the people. How come it's not like this
In the Philippines.
in the Philippines?
Correct, no?
If we just did the right things, then maybe our people there can also experience the same thing and will love more about the city.
I thought China was bland, depressed type of country, bro. When I went to Shanghai, it's like
Super
everyone's,
vibrant.
overwhelming. I think that's the word.
Overwhelming.
In a good way.
In a good way. Hello guys, ni hao, kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave the Puripo Traveler at nandito tayo ngayon sa Shanghai, China. So ayan, for tonight's video, gusto kong makita yung vibrant na lights of Shanghai sa Old Town. Pupuntan natin guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo Yuyuan Garden di ko sure paano i-pronounce guys, paano i-pronounce yan? Jiuchu Bridge. And itong sasakyan natin, magte-train tayo, although pwede naman lakarin, pero mag-train na tayo guys para mabilis. So 19 minutes. And nandito na yung train station. Kung magbubook kayo ng hotel sa Agoda, you can use my promo code DAVEAGODA, capital letters yan, and make sure to redeem on Agoda mobile app. Punta lang kayo sa deals page sa baba para maka 10% off kayo. Alam nyo bang pwede rin kayo magbook ng activities and tours sa Agoda? Use my promo code KURIPOTAGODA for 5% off. I-click nyo na lang din yung link sa comment section to redeem. Yung Klook code naman natin na Dave Gino Klook, one-time redemption na lang siya. So kung wala na kayong ma-redeem, you can explore Agoda. Yung line ay line 10, okay? Tapos one stop lang. So next stop from East Nanjing Road, yun na yung Yuyuan Garden Station. Here na scan lang tayo ng Alipay. Alipay yung gamit ko dito guys, okay? Sa payment, sa transportation, sa pagkain, kapag bibili sa restaurant, stalls, pati sa transports, Alipay. Alipay, tapos dito may transport. Tapos may QR code dyan. Na-scan lang natin dito. Pagpasok ganito ginawa natin kanina. Ngayon lalabas tayo ganito rin. Ayan. Tara. Exit 1 tayo. 11-minute walk from here. Okay? Tara. Ang aesthetic nitong mga lanterns na dinadaanan natin. Ay, parang dito pa lang. May magandang structure na guys. Ayan oh. Wait lang, zoom ko. Pero malalapitan din naman natin yan. Ang ganda. Grabe. Wow. Kabog, napakakabog oh. Ay, pak. Ay, yan. Yarn. Ayan. So these two are traditional Ming and Qing dynasty style architecture. Tapos major landmark itong dalawa dito sa Shanghai's Old City. Ganda. Ang kabog ng illumination, no? Pasensya na sa camera natin. Napadaan tayo dito sa souvenir shop. 15 yuan, so around 127 pesos yan. Okay, itong ref magnet. Tapos nakabili din tayo actually sa Beijing. Around this price, mga 85 pesos. Ito may mas mura na ref magnet. So itong mga buildings na ito guys ay converted na to stores, shops. Pero grabe the aesthetic, napakaganda, nakakaloka. Wild. Wow. Buti pumunta tayo dito. Oh my gosh. Hala, ang ganda. Grabe. Iba naman yung atake dito as in. Wow. Ang ganda. Grabe. Tingnan nyo itong building na to dito sa may Yuyuan Garden area. May pa illumination show siya. Ang ganda. Grabe. Super vibrant. Super vibrant ang area na to. Alam niyo yung old meets new. paano ko siya i-describe? Modern na ancient, ganun. Dire-diretso na lang, tas isa pang liko to the left. Pero ang ganda, napastop talaga ako dito guys. Sobrang ganda. To the highest level. Out of this world. Matutuwa si mama dito kapag mapadpad siya here. Kasang aesthetic. Ganda. Grabe, old city talaga ng Shanghai ang atake. Wow. Ito mga shops. May mga food stalls. Yung Nanjing Road, it's the modern European style na road. Yung vibe atake. Dito naman, it's really vibrant old Shanghai. Ito siguro yung city lights dati, no? Gusto ko yung may pa-ambient sound dito, guys. As in. Ganda. Tara, lakad. Grabe. Yung background ko, it's giving visuals. Ay. Saya magpakaano dito. Chinese drama moment. Look, may mga kainan dito. Wow. Yung music, guys, vibe na vibe. Feels na feels natin yung pagiging old city ng area. May mga kainan din dito, ah. Kung nagugutom kayo, ayan, drinks. Ito na naman, guys, yung illumination show. Na para bang nasa historical drama tayo, yung atake ng music. Dito na tayo tinuturo ng mapa. Are you guys in for the exciting part? Charing. Wow. Wala pa. Wait lang. Wala pa akong nakitang super stunning. Kanina super stunning na yung napasukan natin eh. Pero yung next na super stunning, wala pa. Ganda. So may mga restaurants dito, ha, where you can eat. Ay, ang ganda dito sa loob, guys. Wow. Wow. Grabe. Uy, ang ganda. I love it. Lakas maka-spirited away. Napanood niyo yun? Yung animated, yung Japanese animated film. Wow, ganda nito. Grabe. Ay, eto na. Dito na tayo tinuturo yung bridge. Ang ganda ng mga light dito, guys. Wow. Grabe. Wala akong masabi, kundi ang ganda. Ito na yung bridge na pinin natin, guys. I-appreciate natin dito, guys. From the bridge. Ay, ang ganda nito. Ayan, pak. Ayan, pak. Ikot ulit. Ang ganda. Wow. Wow. Just gorgeous. Grabe, guys. Napakaganda dito. At ramdam na ramdam natin ang kasaysayan, ang past. So this is a living museum. This is the old city. This is the heart and soul of Shanghai. Tapos ito ngayon, kung nasaan tayo, this was, back then, this was a bustling area for commerce, for trade, for the locals. Hanggang ngayon naman, ang daming stores and shops dito. And this area has been protected by the City God Temple for over 600 years. Yung City God Temple, yun yung pinuntahan natin kaninang umaga. So every major city daw in China ay may mga City God Temple na nagpro-protect sa city. Yun. Ganda dito, guys. Yung structures talaga, it's so vibrant. And then, living museum siya kasi dito, mafe-feel natin yung transition ng old Shanghai to modern Shanghai. Tingnan nyo to. Yan. So, yung building behind, yan yung Shanghai Tower. So, that's the tallest building in China. And the third tallest building in the world. Diba? So, from the old to new ang atake. So, yung City God Temple, guys, close na siya ngayon. Pero, pwede nyo mapuntahan, malapit lang sa area. Okay? Tapos, itong bridge, guys, i-cross natin to. Itong 9-turn bridge. Kaya siya pa zigzag kasi naniniwala sila na yung evil spirits, noong sinaunang panahon, yung evil spirits ay nakapaglakad lamang ng straight line. Okay? Kaya zigzag ito. Tapos, kung makross natin ito, yan, kung makross natin ito, guys, I believe it means good luck. So, tara. Ay, sa gitna, may paano dito? Tea house. Ang lakas maka-spirited away ng atake. Atake. Wild. Ang ganda. Oh. Grabe. Lakad-lakad lang tayo dito. Walking tour ito for you guys. Okay? Year of the Horse pala. May mga ganyang tawag dyan, display here. Ayan, malalagpasan natin yung yung bridge. Ay, ang ganda dito. Shucks. Ang ganda dito, guys. Grabe. Ang ganda. Kakaiyak. Parang thank you, Lord. Nakikita natin yung ganito kagandang view dito. Atake. It's a visual feast. Wow. Ganda. Ayun, nakalagpas na tayo. Sana mabiyaan tayo ng blessings. May mga nagfo-photoshoot din dito, guys, na mga naka-traditional Chinese dress. Ganda, no? Ganda ng view from here. Ayun, no, may nagfo-photoshoot. Go, kuya. Lavarn. Ganda, balik tayo doon. Ganda talaga. Ayokong umalis dito. Gusto ko lang i-appreciate yung lights. Tapos, yung structure niya, pataas. Ano kaya meaning yan? Diba? I mean, patusok. Yan, no? Patusok yung bubong. To drive away evil spirits. Yan, no? Yan. Guys, tumigil ang mundo dito. May pa-show. Mas maganda, guys, dito sa loob. Yung light show. Tingnan nyo naman. Wow. Enjoy natin to. Grabe. Mayroon din dito, oh. Hanggang sa dulo. Wow. So every 30 minutes, pansin ko every 30 minutes yung show kasi kanina pa tayong 7 PM nandito eh. So, ang tagal natin dito, gusto ko siyang namnamin. You know. Kayo guys, i-goal nyo din magpunta here kapag magsa-Shanghai kayo, ha? I love Shanghai. Solid. Ay, ayan, tapos na. It's back. Ay, ito guys, yung this is Shanghai's, this is Shanghai's oldest tea house. Hu Xinping.
Limited dried tangerine, pure white
Wow.
tea, hot
Alright, so this is Shanghai's oldest tea house. Nasa gitna siya. As in the heart of the old city. Ganda. Hello po. Beijing, super goosebumps because of everywhere you go, historic. Like, iba yung level nung Great Wall of China.
It's more cultural.
Cultural and historical talaga. Like, iba, goosebumps level. Pero ito talaga, Shanghai, it's really vibrant. The city lights. Kaya, very modern. Pero iba yung Beijing, atake ng Beijing talaga. Shanghai lang po ba kayo?
Shanghai.
Shanghai. Ay,
Shanghai pa.
and?
Shanghai lang.
Parang last minute vacation. Kasi we decided late in November.
November
Who's with
lang.
you?
Just me, alone. Yeah. Kayo family talaga kayo nagta-travel. At,
Parang last minute, they said, oh, we will go to Manila because late yung mag-start yung classes.
oh my gosh, to this pa kayo. Bakit Shanghai?
We've been traveling a lot of all areas, but China, we haven't explored here.
Same.
China.
First time.
That's why I was thinking next time, go to Beijing. So we have a lot of places na issue with travel already.
How do you find Shanghai?
Well, it's our second day.
Anywhere you go, parang Instagram
It's
about
Anywhere we go.
a
True.
combination of Japan and Taiwan. Something like
Oh, interesting. Combination of Japan, Taiwan. Have you been to Nanjing Road?
that. We're staying there.
Super rare ng Pinoy talaga. So happy ako nakita ko po kayo.
Your name?
Dave po, Dave.
Jules, Maribeth, Mary Juliet, Julian, and Joshua.
Maayong gabi. Nice to meet you. I'm from Tacloban. Pero based in Manila. Gamay.
Waray lang, di ba?
Waray. Yeah, I love it you know Waray. Kasi usually, kapag sabihin ko I'm from Tacloban, oh, Bisaya. No, Waray. Oo.
I have a friend from Tacloban.
Tacloban.
But it's based in Manila.
Yeah, I'm based in Manila. Doon na din ako nag-college. So, I just flew out. Yeah.
So you enjoy traveling by your own self, huh?
Yes. I don't wait for friends anymore. Kasi I won't be able to travel if I keep on waiting. Correct. Schedule. Parang hirap itapat eh. So, kayo at least as a family, it's so nice. Picturean ko po kayo. Sige. Guys, nakilang illumination show na tayo dito. Di pa rin ako maalis. Kasi ang ganda. So far, of all countries na napuntahan ninyo, family trips, no, ano yung pinaka nagustuhan ninyo?
For me, was the Vietnam.
One of my top faves, yes, Vietnam.
Vietnam, because we experienced a lot of things we didn't expect, and it was more on like the unexpected side, like especially like intimate family moments. Yes,
Coffee discoveries.
we have so many like
The
we
day
made
that
so
we-
many inside jokes with the families, and that made me like feel like this is so memorable for me. Vietnam. Yeah, and it was so unexpected because Vietnam was so much nature side, like the Ninh Binh, the best ever.
Yeah. May nakasama ako kanina, like mga taga Romania sila, sa Water Ancient Tour. Tinanong ko sila, anong best part niya ng Vietnam? It's also Ninh Binh for them. Ako din, nung naganoy ako, Ninh Binh din. Like, grabe no, yung landscapes, nung nasa boat, yung parang cruise. Ikaw,
Japan, for me.
Japan?
Yeah, Japan.
Why
And
Japan?
the culture, the people, matcha. Matcha,
I love
for
matcha
example,
too.
The discovery of my matcha life. Matcha, road to matcha.
What's the best thing about Shanghai? Alam, second day nyo pa lang, di ba?
Yeah.
So far, first impression.
I find it very amazing here, the city, how they plan the city. Because a
okay.
while ago, we went to the Shanghai Urban Planning Exhibition Center.
Na may construction business kayo, so relevant sa inyo, no?
Yes, and then my sister is also a landscape architecture.
Mm-mm.
So, everything
Really
we see there,
appreciate
we really
the design.
Ah,
We really
yeah.
appreciate how they studied 10 cities to create the best city they can. Like, it's for the people. They really care for the people. That made me like, oh, how come it's not like this
In the
in
Philippines.
the Philippines?
Correct, no?
It made me like sad. Like, if we just did the right things, then maybe our people there can also experience the same thing and will love more about the city.
True, no?
I thought China was bland. Like, parang walang, what do you
Like
call
gray
that?
skies.
Parang like gray skies lang, depressed type of country. Pero when I went to Shanghai, it's like
Super
everyone's-
vibrant.
Yeah, overwhelming. I think that's the word.
Overwhelming.
In a good way.
In a good way. Ako din.
So guys, you should visit here. Consider having a trip here.
True. Pwede ka lang mag-content creator. Tama, correct.
Forget to like and subscribe.
See you next time, manifesting. Ingat! Bye-bye! Ang saya. Ang saya makipagtsikahan ng mga kababayan. It feels home. Suddenly, it feels home. Guys, 1% na lang ako. Tapos, ubos na pong aking power bank. So, God bless kung saan tayo aabot. Baka sa hotel na. Or baka bukas na. Ay, close na pala. This is so nice here. Our conversation is ending but I wasn't able to ask your name.
My name is Adrian.
Adrian?
Adrian, yes.
Adrian?
Yes.
From Spain.
From Spain.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And this going to the Philippines. Because Filipinos love validation. Why did you choose Philippines?
Yeah, just because I saw it on Instagram. It's really very beautiful because of scuba diving.
Scuba diving.
Yeah.
So, I hope you have fun in the Philippines. Okay.
I will fall in love probably with the
Yeah.
country.
I will look forward to your posts about the
I hope
Philippines.
the hike is deserved in the Philippines. So,
Yeah. Okay. Good night, Adrian.
I-
Ayun guys, di na ako nakapag-close ng vlog kagabi kasi nag-empty na talaga tayo. Tapos tumambay na lang ako sa common area ng ano natin, common space ng accommodation natin, ng hostel natin. And we were able to meet my roommate. Grabe, nakapag-chikahan din kami. Like, mga alas 2 na kami natapos guys sa chikahan. Like, I think almost 3 a.m. And it was nice sharing things about work, personal life, travel, content creation. Kasi gusto din daw niyang gumawa ng content, lalo na ngayon na, di ba, nagto-travel siya around the world, yun, in Asia ngayon. So, yun, napakaganda. Ang dami ko nang na-upload about, yun, the Shanghai Old Town, di ba? So, kung magpupunta kayo ng Shanghai, definitely must visit siya. Kung, depende naman sa preference niyo, pero napakaganda niya. Every 30 minutes, nagaganap yung illumination show, which is very nice. And mga 2 hours din tayo, more than 2 hours din tayo nakatambay nung nasa gitna lang tayo ng bridge, 'di ba? And no regrets kasi feeling ko mas na savor ko siya. Yung view, yung vibe, yung feels ng Old Town. May mga plinano pa akong pupuntahan kagabi, pero hindi na siya nangyari. Kasi ayoko magmadali sa isang napakagandang lugar, sa isang napaka-meaningful, historical na lugar na alam kong gusto ko pang i-savor. 'Di ba? So yung Shanghai nandito lang 'to, mababalikan natin. So yung mga lugar na pwede pa natin ma-explore next time. Edi next time na lang. In this trip, mas gusto ko siyang i-savor. Kaya nagtagal tayo kagabi. And may namit pa tayo mga Pilipino. Shout out sa inyo, sa mga friendly ng napaka-friendly ng Filipino family na na-meet natin. It was also one of the highlights yesterday and of the whole tour. Like, ang tagal ng tsikahan and feeling ko I felt really home when I met them. So yan, konti lang yung Pinoy dito. Kaya kapag may Pinoy nakita, uy, tuwang-tuwa din sila nung nakita ako. The same na tuwa yung nakita ko sila ng may Pinoy. First Pinoy ata nila ako na nakita dito sa Shanghai. So yun guys, this is Dave, the Kodipo Traveler. Maraming salamat sa pagsama. This is already our last day. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye!